Oh, no. Gary, thank God. At the stone. That's up. Help me.
Eddie, relax. It's all good. We can send it off to the Curry's Repair Centre and it'll come back as good as new. If they can't fix it, which I'm sure they can, I can help you trade it in for money off on your next purchase.
Repair centre? That sounds like a magical place.
Eddie, are you imagining Santa's workshop? With elves and fairy dust?
No.
More like this, Eddie. I've just sent you a video. We have over 1,000 experts who fix 1 million pieces of tech each year, all with a 12-month guarantee. All you have to do is pop in and see me, and we'll get you sorted.
Will do. Right, I'll be over as soon as I finish my session. Thanks, G-String.
I think we're good with the nicknames, Eddie. Gary is fine.
Sorry, man. See you soon.